If you want to be a consistently profitable trader, you have to have the right bag of tools. You have to pull up like Batman and pull up with the full arsenal. But of course, having the full arsenal entails that you have your bread and butter tool, i.e. the batarang. And for us traders, this batarang is the RSI. First things first, the RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. What makes the RSI unique is that it's a momentum indicator and oscillator. To put it simply, this means that it measures the speed and degree of changes in a stock price. The RSI is going to work by oscillating between a value of 0 and 100 to be able to tell traders if a stock or asset is overbought or oversold. Now, overbought, as this means to us traders, is when a security's price is a lot higher than its intrinsic value. And there's so much buying pressure and upward momentum that the security you're looking at is bound for a correction to the downside. Now on the opposite end of this, oversold is when a security's price is lower than its intrinsic value. And what this means is that there's so much downward momentum and selling pressure that there's bound to be a correction to the upside. When using the RSI, traders should stick to two general rules of thumb. The first rule of thumb is that when the RSI gets near or below a value of 30, this means that the actual value of your security is very oversold, and this is the time to start looking to buy or get into long positions. The second and final rule of thumb is that when your RSI gets above or near a value of 70, this is when a security becomes overbought and it's actually time for you to start looking at short position, getting in puts, or looking to the downside of things. So overall guys, the RSI is going to be able to show you as you're trading the overbought and oversold levels of the securities and assets that you're looking at. And if you're able to successfully use the RSI in determining if the security or assets you're looking at are overvalued or undervalued, you'll be able to make higher probability trades and maintain far more consistent gains. All right, that's the RSI. And if you guys want some more videos on the basics of trading, on trading fundamentals, and consistently growing your portfolio from a beginner level, go ahead and subscribe to Cobbs Capital.